So here we are at our second plant, right next door to Lupinus arboreus. Our first plant is Baccharis pilularis, subspecies pilularis in the Asteraceae, the sunflower family. And this looks very similar to a plant we've learned before because we've learned another subspecies of Baccharis pilularis. But this one is probably the first one to be described since it's subspecies pilularis. And it's a special one because it's prostrate, which means that it's growing along the ground. It doesn't get very tall. If you look across this landscape, it's all kind of at the height of your boot. It grows in these coastal mesas, kind of like in from the beach and close to the beach. And the fact that it's prostrate probably has to do, with growing on those kind of recently derived or sandy soils. This is if you look closely at this plant, it's one you recognize because it has these glutinous, entire, alternate, kind of waxy oval leaves that are very clustered on the stems. If you look at a micro scale, it's really difficult to recognize this from the other subspecies, but it's all about habit. Prostrate versus the other subspecies, which is an upright shrub that grows more inland. And if you come over here and look at the flowers, which are all going to seed, unless you look closely at the seeds, you wouldn't recognize this as a member of the sunflower family. But you can see that it's kind of like a dandelion. The seeds are little achenes. They're little fruits, and they're connected to a big, bushy, feather-like pappus that helps disperse the seeds. So that's Baccharis pilularis, subspecies pilularis.